sexy.
You think you're so cool. Working in my dad's shop. Sheesh. Not too shabby.
Looks how it looked last night.
It does.
Look at that nice, exquisite mirror cap. What is up, my friends and family? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to episode 9 or 8 or 10.
I think it's 9.
Probably 9 of the totaled Type R rebuild. You see, it was totaled, but now it's not because we fixed it all. If you missed yesterday's video, here's the pillar. I'm gonna throw a little clip on the screen right now of how it looked before, and here's how it looks after.
Were you nervous? Were you nervous?
About?
Did you think it wasn't gonna like turn out good?
I mean, I thought there's gonna be some imperfection, but there's not a single.
Yeah, really, it's so nice.
And then I'll throw a little clip of on the screen of the quarter panel before, and here's an after. Not to mention, this is by far my best paint job to date. I sprayed well. No, just like how the paint laid out and everything. Also, shout out to Vel for helping me spray this out. Okay, we're gonna get everything out of the booth. I'm gonna just set the panels on the car, get the doors. I don't have the door hinges. We have a big blanket. I was gonna put everything on the car for easy transport, but I forgot half the stuff at my shop. Very happy with how everything came out except for this door. This side of the car was pushed up pretty close to the wall, and it's completely my bad because I sprayed it, but this thing ran so bad. Pretty much the whole door is a run, it seems like. So it is what it is. You live and you learn. I knew that I should have had it farther away from the wall. It's okay though. I'm excited to see the color match. Of course, the rest of the car is filthy. It's been sitting outside for years and it's all faded and scratched up, but the color, I'll just grab a sunlight real quick actually. Should be a pretty close match. The only butt match on this car is the quarter. Oh Lord, you can't even see the bumper, it's so disgusting. Give me like a 40-point turn. Waiting for Jared to step on it.
I didn't break it.
Quick drive back to my shop. Everything's loaded up. We should be good to go, my friends.
Ooh, they are touching though.
Car is successfully unloaded into our shop, and we're gonna go ahead and start assembling. I pulled off the front fenders so we can get the doors slapped back on. We're gonna have to do quite a bit of adjustments because we did pull the door hinges off. We wanted perfection on this paint job, and perfection is what we got. Wow.
Perfection. Wow.
Spicy unit. How far off are they gonna be?
I don't know.
A little bit.
I don't think so.
Okay, boys. So what I just did is I did decide to pull the hinges before paint just for perfection purposes. And obviously you have to align them. So to get it very, very close, I just matched up the paint because when this car is sprayed from the factory, they spray it with the hinges on and all that stuff. So there's like circles on the hinge where the bolt used to be. So I got that lined up, and now we can hang the doors and get everything lined up there. We got to get the strikers on, the little sensors on, all that good stuff. And then we can slap the doors on.
Thought you were gonna be cool.
We're gonna go ahead and assemble the doors while they're off the car, get all the seals on, the wiring back in, and then we can slap the doors on. The first door is on and 100% assembled, inside and out. We just need these trim pieces that I broke. I want to show you guys the color match real quick, just because it's perfect and it's fun. I have to put wax and grease on the car itself because it's so crusty. Wax and grease on both parts, fresh paint, not fresh paint. Can you get any better, Bobby?
I don't think you can.
I definitely didn't need to blend that door, but I did anyway. for perfection purposes. And now it's full of runs. Dirt, respray. It's okay, Val painted that one. That ain't right. There's a button that goes there. Where's the button? Is it?
Nice. That's real nice.
Oh, he's back. Sheesh.
Honey, Casey, bless you.
Bless you. Come on, baby boy. Fuck you. Let's go first.
Oh.
Ha!
One more clip up here, I think. You got.
No, it's just a Honda. That's what they do. You know what we call this? OE spec. It's a dirty ass door panel. Done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bobby's making me leave. All right, friends, next day here, and today's a good day because we got some more packages in the mail. I still do need to get the transmission fixed if you guys have been following along with the build. Hello? Anyways, we got packages in today for the FK8 build. This should be the new turbo, and those are the hood hinges. We're not quite needing the hood hinges yet. We do need to go ahead and slap on the front fenders and the bumper. We have a lot of work to do, so let's get started. I want to show you guys this product real quick. We have this dropping this Friday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, along with a ton of other products, but this is a product spotlight for today. This is one of the windbreakers we are dropping. Here's the front. It's like a very deep, dark, black camo design, gold lettering on the front, automotive lifestyle, and here's the back. Very, very sick. Dropping this Friday, 11 a.m. PST. Tomorrow I'll show you guys another product. We have a lot of stuff dropping. Windbreakers, hoodies, flannels, jet tags, t-shirts. The list goes on. So crazy, so cool seeing this car come back together. Before we make it much more progress with body panels, I have all this random stuff I need to get cleaned up from when we were doing the frame repair. So I need to pull this whole core support, the whole front end back off, get all that stuff tidied back up so we can go ahead and move forward with headlight, bumper cover, and all that good stuff. Of course, a lot of this is gonna have to come back off when we do the motor and trans and whatnot, but I just wanna see this thing complete for once. Semi-complete at least. All right, so we got the fenders on, the bumpers on, all the other random stuff in the bay that I was showing you guys earlier. All that's complete. We have the 2021 fog covers on, and now for the Holy Grail. Jared is in here to help me not destroy my new paint, because we are putting on, what, Jared? Kind of
carbon fiber hood.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fibre. Got it? Wow, that looks sick. I love that.
It's Bitchler approved.
It looks like a car. It's Bitchler approved. Yeah, these are sick cars, dude. I love the black too.
Not bad. And just like that, my friends, we have a nearly completed exterior-wise Type R. Pretty insane seeing this thing come all together. Of course, we just set the hood on there. I must say the newer fog light bezels do like 10,000 times better. This thing's coming together and I cannot be more stoked. If you want to pick up this exact hood, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. I have no idea how it's going to fit. I'm guessing it's going to fit good, but we do still have to realign all of the panels on the car and get the hood aligned and bolted down. Right now, it's just chilling. But like I said, I'll have that hood linked down in the description box below. I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, this Friday, 11 a.m. PST is the newest Boston apparel release. The website is only gonna be open for 24 hours. So from Friday at 11 a.m. PST to Saturday, 11 a.m. PST is the only time you're gonna get any of these products. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.